Imagine walking deep into the Amazon rainforest, surrounded by towering trees, strange animal sounds, and endless wilderness. Suddenly, you hear the sound of rushing water, but this is no ordinary river. As you get closer, you notice steam rising into the air. The water is bubbling and the heat is intense. Then you witness something almost impossible. A small animal falls into the river and is instantly scalded alive. This is the story of one of the world's most astonishing natural mysteries, the boiling river of the Amazon, a place so extraordinary that many people once believed it could only exist in myths and legends. For centuries, indigenous tribes living in the Amazon rainforest spoke about a river that literally boiled. According to their stories, the river was sacred and connected to powerful spirits of the jungle. Many outsiders dismissed these tales as folklore. Scientists argued that such a river could not exist because there were no active volcanoes nearby to heat the water. Yet the legends persisted, passed down from generation to generation. The mystery remained hidden deep within the Peruvian Amazon, waiting for someone to uncover the truth. The river, known locally as Shanay Timpishka, which means boiled with the heat of the sun, is located in Peruvian Amazon rainforest. It stretches for approximately 6.4 kilometers, or about 4 miles. While not every section is boiling, some parts reach temperatures as high as 93 degrees Celsius, or 200 degrees Fahrenheit. To consider how hot that is, consider that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The river comes dangerously close to that temperature. If a person accidentally falls into the hottest parts of the river, they could suffer severe burns within seconds. One of the most fascinating aspects of the boiling river is the impact it has on wildlife. Local people have reported seeing animals such as birds, snakes, and small mammals accidentally fall into the water. Unable to escape, they are slowly cooked alive. The sight is both tragic and terrifying. The river demonstrates the immense power of nature and reminds us that some environments on Earth remain incredibly dangerous and unpredictable. For many years, scientists were skeptical about the existence of the boiling river. The idea of a naturally boiling river located hundreds of kilometers from the nearest volcanic system seemed impossible. However, in 2011, a geoscientist named Andrés Russo decided to investigate the legend. As a child, he had heard stories about the mysterious boiling river from family members. Driven by curiosity, he traveled deep into the Amazon to find it for himself. What he discovered shocked him. Not only was the river real, but it was even more remarkable than the story suggested. When Russo measured the river's temperature, he confirmed that some sections were indeed near boiling. His findings attracted international attention. Scientists around the world became interested in understanding how such a phenomenon could exist. The discovery challenged long-held assumptions about geothermal activity and forced researchers to reconsider what was possible beneath the Earth's surface. So what causes the river to become so hot? The answer lies underground. Researchers believe rainwater seeps deep into cracks and faults within the Earth's crust. As the water travels downward, it encounters hot rocks heated by geothermal energy. The water then rises back to the surface through fractures in the ground. Because enormous volumes of heated water continuously emerge, entire sections of the river become extremely hot. Unlike geothermal features near volcanoes, the boiling river appears to be powered by a unique combination of geological faults and underground heat sources. To appreciate how unusual this is, let's compare it with other famous geothermal locations around the world. In places like Yellowstone National Park in the United States, boiling water and geysers are common because the park sits above a massive volcanic hotspot. Similarly, Iceland's hot springs exist due to intense volcanic activity beneath the island. The boiling river, however, exists far from any active volcano. This makes it one of the rarest geothermal phenomena ever documented, and one of the most mysterious rivers on Earth. The river also plays an important role in local culture and spirituality.
Indigenous communities have long considered the area sacred. Traditional healers and shamans believe the river possesses powerful spiritual energy. Ceremonies have been conducted near its waters for generations. Even today, many local residents view the river not merely as a geological wonder, but as a living part of their cultural heritage. Their ancient stories, once dismissed as myths, have proven to contain remarkable truth. As scientists continued studying the river, they discovered that its ecosystem is surprisingly unique. Certain microorganisms have adapted to survive in temperatures that would kill most forms of life. These extremophiles provide valuable clues about how life can exist in extreme environments. Studying them may help scientists better understand how life evolved on Earth and whether similar organisms could survive on other planets or moons with harsh conditions. The boiling river has also become a symbol of conservation. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth, yet it faces constant threats from deforestation, mining, and environmental destruction. Increased awareness of extraordinary places like the boiling river helps highlight the importance of protecting these fragile ecosystems. Once damaged, wonders like this may never fully recover. Despite years of research, many questions remain unanswered. Scientists continue to study the exact geological mechanisms that maintain such high temperatures. Why is the river located precisely where it is? How deep does the geothermal system extend underground? Could there be other undiscovered boiling rivers hidden within remote rainforest? These mysteries continue to fascinate researchers and explorers alike. Today, the boiling river stands as one of the most incredible natural phenomena on Earth. It is a place where ancient legends meet modern science. A river that many believed was impossible has become a real-world reminder that our planet still holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Deep within the Amazon rainforest, surrounded by mystery and steam, the waters of Sinai Tempishka continue to flow. Hot enough to cook animals alive, strange enough to challenge scientific understanding, and fascinating enough to capture the imagination of people around the world. So, the next time someone says there are no unexplored mysteries left on Earth, remember the boiling river of the Amazon. Hidden beneath the jungle canopy lies a river that defied belief, challenged science, and proved that nature is often far stranger than fiction. If you enjoyed this mystery documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating stories from around the world. Which mystery should we explore next? Let us know in the comments below.